right, everybody, it's Kelly with SaundersCountyOnline.com. Just a reminder, we are out at Ashland, Nebraska. It's Stir-up Days going on. You've seen the car shows, you've seen the craft fair, a lot of things going on today, including, it's kind of an interesting thing. Let's flip this around and see what you can see here. Yeah, modified lawnmower tractor pull. So this is a pretty exciting little event, so I'm looking forward to seeing what happens here. All right, they have the lawn tractor set up. They're putting the weights onto the sled, making sure that's ready to go. The Cub Cadet has been modified. Watch this. This is pretty wild. There's actually quite an array of different tractors that are set up here. And for $13, you could actually drive one of these things. Yes, that's all it takes to be able to help pay for the insurance. And so, again, that's what's happening here is actually the kid is paid to be able to drive one of these.